Alright, welcome back to Adobe Illustrator CC. In this tutorial we're going to cover basically setting up guides and custom guides and essentially creating your own business card template. So let's check this out. So the first thing we're going to do is go File, New, and in here we're going to make sure we have the print profile selected. Down here, instead of points, we're going to switch to inches, and we're going to type in 3.5 for the width by 2 inches for the height. So that's sort of the standard for a business card. In the bleed area, we're going to basically click in here, and we want it to be about 1/8 of an inch for the bleed, so 0.125. And let's see, CMYK color mode's good. Basically click OK. At this point you can see now we have our actual business card size here, and then we have the bleed area. So this is where also known as like where the trim could happen in here. What we need now is a safe area in here. So what I'm going to do is hit Control R or Command R on the Mac to bring up the rulers. You can find the rulers under View, and there they are, rulers. You can choose the hide rulers or the show rulers. And what you can do is you can click in here and simply drag out guides. It's pretty easy to do. Just click and drag them out like so. With the top tool selected, your move tool, you can essentially move the guides as long as they're not locked. Currently mine are locked, so if I go down to View Guides, you can see here I can choose the Unlock Guides command. So last time I had this, I had them locked, but you can see now as I move them, I can drag them around wherever I want. I can hit the delete key or backspace key to basically get rid of them, and I can drag out to whatever measurement I want. I can click up here or double click anywhere along the measurement and create more guides, which is kind of cool. The next thing I want to do is create a shape and actually convert to a guide. That's also something you can do. So I could go into the ellipse tool here and draw a shape and literally convert that to a guide. So the way you would do that is you go up to the View menu and choose Guides and choose Make Guides. And what would happen as I click out here, this is now a guide. And if I actually chose the lock guides, View Guides, Lock Guides, I would no longer be able to select that. Pretty cool, right? So let's check this out. I'm going to go to View Guides. We're going to choose Unlock Guides. I'm going to select this and delete it. Don't really want an ellipse. I actually want another rectangle in here. So I'm going to choose the rectangle tool. And instead of trying to draw out an actual shape here that would give me enough distance for a bleed area or safe trim area, I'm going to click in here, and basically here I can choose the measurements I want. And so since I had 3.5 inches for the width, I'm going to go with 3.25 for the width, and then I'll go with 1.75 for the height, and then just simply click OK. Now you'll have noticed that it's not in the correct location. That's fine. I can just select it with the black arrow tool, and I could try and line up, but I can use the align tools to really help me out here. So up here towards the top I have the align tools, and right now it's set to align to artboard, which is what I want, but there's some other options here. There's align to selection and align to key objects. So I'm going to switch it to align to artboard, and then I'm going to click on the horizontal center align and then the vertical align center, and just like that, boom, it's centered. Now I can go to View, go down to Guides, and of course choose the Make Guide command. At this point I could lock it so that I won't mess with it, so go down to View Guides and choose the Lock Guides. So now I have a perfect business card outline here. Alright, so that's it for the tutorial on Adobe Illustrator CC working with guides, and in the future we'll explore the artboards. See you soon. Until next time, cheers.